and welcome to the E.D'ORSTYLES channel. For the ones returning, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell for notification. To start, I've separated the hair in 4 clips. I'm going to start with this medium section. I'll be using a comb, a 1.4-inch curling iron, short and long prong hair clips. The long one will be only used on the top of the hair. I'm going to start by separating the sections in 2 and curl my first section for about 5 to 10 seconds. As I'm grabbing the hair, I manipulate it with my fingers to create the curl pattern. I know my hands are in the way, but I'm only using my index fingers inside the curl. Then I clip the curl to the base of the hair. Here's an image I made for people that are more visual. I am not an artiste. I repeat, I am not an artiste, so don't judge. This avoids getting any marks on the hair and for it to look seamlessly beautiful. I put the clip in between the base and the loop of the curl. Here's a closer look. I keep doing the same thing for every section. For the top section, my section will be a lot bigger. I'm going to use a tiny bit of booster cream because this mannequin's hair has been through some things since day one, okay, since I got her. So a little bit of cream goes a long way. Now, if you have thinner hair, I would suggest just using oil-free base heat protectant and nothing else. The top is my favorite part because that's where all the volume is. I'm doing the same thing, but my sections are wider and longer. I'm gonna let the hair sit for about 45 minutes. If this was your real hair, however, I would let it sit for like a whole day. The longer it sits, the better because the curl is more defined, you get to manipulate it more, and it just stays still pretty much. I spray each curls with hairspray before I tease it. Any type of hairspray will do. I prefer the Sebastian hairspray just because it's in the middle of mild and strong. So it still looks natural. It doesn't look hard, but it's doing what hairspray is supposed to do. But you can pretty much use any type of hairspray. You can also spray it all over the hair before teasing it. Hairspray is literally your best friend to get the shape you want. I'm just playing with the curls to find my shape. I always leave the top until the end because it's my favorite part, and also because I'll be able to blend it out with the rest of the hair. Before I complete the bottom section, I'm going to blend the top and tease it like crazy because the higher you go, the better it flows. Now I'm just shaping it. Shaping is going to take time. It looks like it's really fast because I fast forward this video, but be patient because you're gonna have to blend, blend, blend. So right in the middle of my curl, put a hair clip just to keep it in place because I do want it to go high, and I'm shaping while keeping the height. For the side of the hair, I put a hairpin. I twisted the hair and then I dipped the pin in the middle so it's kind of hidden, and I put as many as I need to keep the shape. And then I just continue to shape, 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 blend, blend, blend. Here she is, all done up and ready to start dinner. Thank you for watching, and comment below if you have any tips and tricks that could help. On my next video, I'll be doing a different pin curl look. Stay tuned.